Hi, this is Lisa Dettinger with PowerHouse Writing. I'm going to tell you a little bit about how the high school curriculum works. It's a really simple process. In a nutshell, your high school student goes to the computer with their handy-dandy workbook. There is available, with the purchase of a course, a printable workbook. And you could print that out and have that in front of you, or use the workbook that's available on Amazon. So the student goes to the computer and has the workbook, and they simply find out which lesson they're on, scroll to it, click on it, push play, and begin their lesson.
Welcome to Lesson 3, Part A. Remember, if you haven't done quiz number 2 yet, turn off the video, be sure that's done first.
All right, with each lesson, I do show the page number that the student should follow along with. So what happens is the student interacts with the video and the workbook, and at the end of the lesson, I tell them which assignment they'll have due for the next day. There is an answer key available at the end of the book, so they can self-check their work, or you could check it for them. But that's writing class, interacting with the video, doing the workbook, and essay assignments.